Dr. Angela Chernowski, Graham Blank Chiropractic. Have you ever wondered how chiropractors learn how to adjust other people? Well, maybe you've never wondered that, but I can tell you that if you're a student in chiropractic school, you learn by practicing on other students. There are 200 chiropractic techniques, and they're all a little bit different. The most standard chiropractic technique is a technique called diversified, and all chiropractors learn diversified technique while they're in school. Diversified, like other techniques, involve taking a joint, usually a joint in the spine, bringing it to tension, and then applying what's called an HVLA thrust, a high velocity, low amplitude thrust to the joint. In this case, a misaligned joint. What the HVLA thrust does is moves it in such a way to stimulate proprioception within the joint. Proprioception is a fancy word for movement. And when you stimulate proprioception, you downplay nociception. Nociception is pain in a joint. So if you can stimulate movement by stimulating the proprioception by adjusting the joint, you can down-regulate the nociception, which in turn gives pain relief. And that is how a chiropractic adjustment works. I'm Dr. Angela Chernowski, Graham Blank Chiropractic.